The simple interest on the present value of the bill is called as the true discount, and it is given by the true discount is equal to present value, that is the simple interest. The sum of bill period plus drawn date and the grace period for how many days? 3 days is called as a legal due date, BD into TD divided by BG, that is banker's discount into true discount divided by the banker's gain will give the value of F, that is face value. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session I am going to take very important and simple chapter, that is bill discounting. Now this is very simple chapter. The weightage for this chapter is 6 marks. So you are going to get 6 marks from this chapter. So you have one mark question, then one 2 mark question, one 3 mark question. So 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, totally 6 marks from this. So each one question for 1 mark and 2 marks question 1 and 3 marks 1 question. So totally 1 mark, 2 marks and 3 marks question you will get. So 6 marks is the total weightage for this chapter. So you don't have any 4 marks, 5 marks and even 6 marks question from this. Only 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark and 3 mark 1 question. Totally 6 marks. Now today in this session I am going to discuss regarding important terms of bill discounting. What are the formulas we are going to use for solving the problems on this bill discounting, and important formulas, that is important formulas as well as important terms on this bill discounting. Now move on to the first definition, that is definition of a bill. What is a bill? Actually a bill is nothing but a document. So the document which required on an individual to pay a fixed later date is called a bill. So it is nothing but the document which required to pay for an individual, that is the document which is required on the individual to pay a fixed later date is called as a bill, right? So it is nothing but a fixed document for an individual to pay. Now just discount. What is a discount? Discount is nothing but when a bill is cashed in advance of its date of maturity, that is whenever a bill is cashed, in advance before the maturity on an amount is deducted by the money lender of the bank from the amount of the bill due, this amount deducted is called as the discount. So that is when a bill is cashed in advance of its date of maturity and the amount is deducted by the money lender of the bank from the amount of the bill, the amount deducted is called as the discount. The amount deducted is called as the discount. Now what is actually the term true discount? The term true discount means the simple interest on the present value of the bill. The simple interest on the present value of the bill is called as the true discount. Whatever the simple interest on the present value of the bill is called as the true discount. The simple interest on the present value of the bill is called as the true discount, and it is given by the true discount is equal to present value, that is the simple interest, PTR over 100. That is nothing but the simple interest. Simple is equal to PTR over 100 is the simple interest, present interest, that is the simple interest. Now banker discount. What is banker's discount? Banker discount means the interest calculated on the face value or the amount of the bill is called as the banker's discount. The interest calculated on the face value or amount of the bill is called as the banker's discount, and it is given by the banker's discount is given by FT into R. Right? See here. So the interest calculated on the face value of an amount of the bill is called as the banker's discount, and that is given by the banker's discount is equal to F into T into R. F is the face value, T is the time period, and R is the rate of interest. Now banker's gain. What is banker's gain? The difference between the banker's discount and the true discount is called as the banker's gain. What is the banker's gain? The difference between the banker's discount and the true discount. The difference between the banker's discount and the true discount, BD minus TD, the difference between BD and TD is called as the gain. That is called as the banker's gain. Banker's gain is given by BG is equal to difference between the banker's discount and the true discount will give the banker's gain. Now, discounted value of the bill. What is meant by discounted value of the bill? So, the discounted value of the bill is nothing but whenever a bill presented, when a bill is presented to a banker for the payment and makes the payment before the due date of the bill, then he deducts his discount, that is banker discount, from the face value of the bill and pays the rest to the holder of the bill. Then the value so payable is called as the holder's discount. That is called as the payable to the holder is called the discounted value of the bill. That is, whenever he pays the bill before the due date, whatever the difference he is going to get is called as the discounted value of the bill. That is, when a bill is presented to a banker for the payment and he makes the payment before the due date, whenever he makes the payment before the due date, if the payment is made before the due date of the bill, he deducts his discount, that is banker discount, from the face value of the bill and pay the rest to the holder of the bill. Then the value so payable to the holder is called as the banker's discount. That is the discounted value of the bill. That is called as the discounted value of the bill. Right. Listen once again. That is, when a bill is presented to a banker for the payment and he makes the payment before due date of the bill, he deducts his discount, that is banker's discount, from the face value of the bill and pays the rest to the holder of the bill. The value so payable to the holder is called as the discounted value of the bill. That is called as the discounted value of the bill. Now, next one, legally due date. This is very important concept. What is meant by legally due date? The sum of the bill period, drawn date and the grace period of 3 days is called as legal due date. Legal due date means the sum of bill period plus drawn date and the grace period for how many days? 3 days is called as a legal due date. That is LDD. LDD is called as the legal due date, is the sum of the bill period plus drawn date plus grace of 3 days. Bill period plus drawn date and the grace period of 3 days, all these together, sum is called as legal due date, denoted as LDD. So therefore LDD is equal to BF plus DD plus grace period for 3 days. Now, important formulas. What are the important formulas we are going to study in this chapter? F is nothing but the face value. F denotes the face value. F represents the face value. R is called as the rate of interest in decimals. So the rate of interest in decimal, and T is nothing but the time period in years. F is called the face value, R is called the rate of interest in decimals, and T is called as the time period. What is TD? TD is called as the true discount, BD is called as the banker's discount, BG is called as the banker's gain, and P is called as the present value. Very important concepts, very important terms actually. The important terms are, face value is denoted as F is called the face value, small r is the rate of interest in decimal, T is nothing but the time period in years, and TD is nothing but true discount. True discount is denoted as TD, BD is called as the banker's discount, and BG is called as the banker's gain, and P is called as the present value. Similarly, what is BD? How to find out BD? BD is nothing but FT into R. FT is nothing but, F is nothing but the face value, T is the time period, and R is the rate of interest in decimal. TD is also equal to PTR. PTR, that is P into T into R, that is nothing but FTR divided by 1 plus T into R. The TD is nothing but the true discount is equal to PT into R. PT into R is nothing but F into T into R, FTR divided by 1 plus TR. Similarly, banker's gain. Banker's gain is equal to banker discount minus true discount, BD. BD is nothing but the banker's discount, and the difference between banker discount and true discount is called as the banker's gain. LDD. LDD means that is nothing but legally due date. Legally due date is given by banker BP, that is BP plus DD plus a due date for 3 days. So what is LDD? Bill period plus due date plus a grace period of 3 days is called as a LDD. Banker's present worth of discounted value of the bill is F minus BD. That is the banker's discount. F minus BD will give the banker's present worth of discounted value of the bill. That is F minus, we know BD is equal to F into T into R. So if you take F common factor, F into 1 minus TR will give the banker's present value worth. Whereas this TD will give FTR divided by 1 plus TR. Whereas the banker's present value of a discounted value of the bill is given by F into 1 minus TR. Right. Now, the true present worth is given by P is equal to FTR divided by 1 plus TR. Face value F is given by BD into TD divided by BG. That is banker's discount into true discount divided by the banker's gain will give the value of F, that is face value. Face value F is equal to BD into TD divided by BG. Similarly, BG is also equal to TD into TR, true discount into T into R, time period into rate of interest. Banker's gain can also be written as TD square divided by PW, where PW is nothing but true present value worth. So, TD square divided by PW is nothing but true present value worth, will also gives BG. And similarly, TD, true discount, is equal to square root of PW, that is nothing but true present value into banker's gain under root will gives the TD. Yes, that is the true discount. Now, just listen. So, therefore, the important formulas are banker's discount is FT into R's. F is the face value, R, T is the time period, R is the rate of interest. TD is equal to PTR, that is nothing but FTR divided by 1 plus TR. Banker's gain is equal to banker discount minus true discount. And the LDD means LDD is equal to BP plus DD plus 3 days of a grace period, right? BP plus DD plus a grace period of 3 days is called the LDD, legal due date. And banker's present worth, PW, banker's present worth of the discounted value of the bill is F minus BD, that is F minus FTR, that is nothing but F into 1 minus TR. Similarly, true value, the true present worth P is equal to FTR divided by 1 plus TR, and the face value F is equal to BD into TD divided by BG. Banker discount into true discount divided by the banker's gain, and the banker's gain can also be written as BG is equal to TD into T into R, and BG can also be written as TD whole square divided by PW. What is P in W? That is nothing but true present worth. And the true discount is also equal to square root of this PW into BG. The square root of PW, see, if you cross multiply, what you will get? BG into PW is equal to TD square. So only TD is equal to true discount is equal to square root of banker's gain into PW. So that is PW into banker's gain will also gives the TD, which is under root. Now let us move on to a problem based on these formulas. A bill was drawn on 14/3/2013 for 3 months. When does the bill falls legally due? LDD we have to calculate. Legally due date is to be determined. A bill is drawn, when it is drawn? 14 March 2013. Then for 3 months, when does the bill fall legally due? So, right. Now, what is the formula for LDD? LDD is nothing but BP plus DD plus grace period of 3 days. So, LDD is equal to BP plus DD plus 3 days grace period. This is the formula for legal due date. LDD is equal to BP plus DD plus 3 days of grace period, right? Now, just write down the drawn date. Drawn date is equal to 14/3/2013 drawn date. So, what is the bill period? Bill period falls legally, yes, bill for 3 months. Bill period is equal to 0/3/0. Bill period for 3 months, right? And then grace period is grace period for how many days? 3 days. 0, 0. Add these together. So what we will get? Therefore, the legally due date is equal to, just write on the bill period, that is DD. Yes, drawn date, that is drawn date is 14/3/2013, and the bill period is 0, 3, 0, and the grace period is 3, 0, 0. What is this equal to? 14 plus 3, 17 days, 6 months, and 2013. This is the legal due date. So the legal due date is equal to 17/6/2013. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed. Correct. So the legally due date is 17/6/2013. Now move on to the next problem. Find the banker discount on rupees 9,000 due 5 months hence at 16% per annum. Okay. Now what is the formula for banker discount? So the banker discount is equal to F into T into R. So find the banker discount on the face value. What is the face value here? Rupees 900 into 5 months, 5 divided by 12, and the rate of interest is 16 divided by 100. That's it. So what is the formula? Banker discount is equal to FT into R. What is F? F is a face value, that is nothing but 900, into time period is 5 months divided by 12, into 16, rate of interest 16 divided by 100. Simplify this, that's all. What is this equal to? Divide it. 9 times gets cancelled. So that is, yes, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. That is 5 3s are 15 into 4. That's equal to 60. That's it. Right. So therefore rupees 60 is the banker's discount. So the banker's discount is equal to rupees 60. That's it. See here. Find the banker discount on rupees 9,000 due for 5 months at the rate of 16% per annum. One more question, simple. So the banker discount FT into R, the banker discount is given by, you know the formula for banker discount, F into T into R. F is the face value, T is the time period, R is the rate of interest. So F is 900, time period is 5 months divided by 12, and rate of interest is 16 divided by 100. Simplify. 15 4s are 60. Therefore, the banker's discount is rupees 60. Now move on to the next problem. Same. Find the banker discount on a bill of rupees 415 due 9 months hence at the rate of 15% an annum. Say what is given? The face value is P is given 415 rupees. Due for how many months? The time period is given 9 months, and the rate of interest is given 15%. Now, what is the formula for a banker's discount? Banker's discount is equal to P into T into R. Right. Banker discount is P into T into R. So, therefore, the banker discount is P into T into R. Just substitute. What is P? P is equal to 415 into time period is 9 months divided by 12 into rate of interest is 15 divided by 100. So divide this. What is this equal to? So if you multiply and divide by 100, 100 into 12, you will get the answer. 415 into 9 into 15 divided by 12 into 100. What is this equal to? So if you divide, you will get 46.68. So therefore, the bill discount is equal to rupees 46.68, 46.5. So the bill discount is equal to rupees 46.68. That's it. This is the bill discount. Okay. So what is the bill discount? Therefore, the bill discount is rupees 46.68. 46.68. Move on to the next problem. Find the present value of rupees 750 due 4 months hence at 15% per annum. Now, just what is to find the present value. Find the present value of rupees 750 due 4 months hence at 15% per annum. So, what is to find is the present value. Okay. So, what is to find? P. P is equal to F divided by 1 plus TR. 1 plus T into R. F divided by 1 plus T into R. Now what is F? F is given 750 divided by 1 plus, what is the time period? 4 divided by 12 into rate of interest is 15 divided by 100. Simplify this, that's it. Okay. So what is this equal to? 750 divided by 1 plus 4 ones are 4 threes are 15 by 100 is nothing but 0.15. So just this is 750 divided by 1 plus divided, yes, 1 into 0.15 divided by 3, that's equal to 0.05. That's equal to 750 divided by 1.05. Divide it. This is equal to 714 point. That's all. See, very simple. So P is equal to F divided by 1 plus TR. F is 750 divided by 1 plus 4 by 12 into 15 by 100. So 750 divided by 1 plus 1 multiplied 0.15. So that is 15 by 100 is nothing but 0.15. So this is 4 by 12 into 15 by 100 is nothing but 4 ones are 4 threes are 15 by 100 is 0.15. If you divide, what you will get? 0.05. That's it. 0.05. So here write 1 plus 0.15 divided by 3 is 0.05. 0.05 plus 1 is 1.05. So 750 divided by 1.05 is equal to 714.28, which is the required answer. So therefore, the present value of 750 due for 4 months hence at the rate of 15% per annum is 714.28 is the required answer. That's it. These are few problems based on the banker discount and the face value. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.